morning to all Filipino people. We share and we observe around. Because this is very important of all individual Filipino.
During inquiry in aid of legislation, we often hear this: you will be committing perjury because all resource persons in inquiry in aid of legislation and even in all forms of investigation, we place them under oath. At ang lahat ng pagsisinungaling while under oath, we call it perjury. Again, the best illustration of an oral perjury are those committed by resource persons appearing in this investigation while making several misrepresentations. However, Mr. Chair, when it comes to written perjury,
This is attorney personality,
break down
member
the
of
elements of this
Quadcom.
offense so we can better illustrate how this is determined. And talking about elements, Mr. Chair, as we can see from the screen, there must be a sworn statement.
We support this person. This person is valuable to
The statement contains deliberate assertion of falsehood
stand post
and a
of our
false
Republic of the
declaration
Philippines.
is with regard to material fact.
Our
Mr.
concern
Chair,
is
in the
to
course of our
support
investigation,
impeachment
the special
or
disbursing
case build up to our vice.
Ginoong Edward Fajarda,
You know,
and Gina Acosta
like me,
plainly asserted
the ordinary people,
na wala raw silang alam kung saang mga
how assist
aktibidad
to
ang
the
pinagdaanan ng confidential funds. Can we please
most
pass
especially here
to
in the
certifications? Ayon sa kanila, basta-basta lang raw nila
Liblib.
sinunod ang utos sa kanila ng ating Vice
Elementary.
Presidente na ipasa ang confidential
out of
funds,
room.
the total amount
How many
of
children in the room, in the small
612.5
room?
million pesos.
And we are always support,
Mr. Chair, sa kalahati
give financial or give the our
na siya raw na mahala
pintakasi.
disburse nito. Pagkatapos ay ipinasa lang din ng mga SDO sa COA
Parent force work in school for
ang mga acknowledgement receipts
support
na ibinigay
of education,
sa kanila.
in especially in our
Alam
children.
kung totoo ang nakasulat sa accomplishment reports, kung totoo or peke ang mga acknowledgement receipts, at kung saan talaga kinamit ang pera. We have witnessed this, Mr. Chair, during the interpellation of SDO Edwin Fajarda of the Department of Education, as well as SDO Gina F. Acosta of the OVP. After they testified na ipinasa nila sa mga security officer ng Vice Presidente ang pera, wala ka nang makuhang impormasyon.
We angry because how 2 years,
Wala silang alam
how many
ang
money
kabuuan ng halaga ay ibinigay nila sa mga security officers.
DepEd
Ito
pan
pong certifications, Mr. Chair,
that
is
now
a perfect
is missing.
illustration of
That's
a
the money
written
2 years
perjury.
passing.
Halimbawa,
That money we can buy
tinatawag natin
jet
na
fighter
written statement made
because
under
the
oath.
DepEd is
It is a basic principle that even first-year law students
most priority
know that a statement
for
made
the
before
government
notary public, notary
to support of our
publico,
education.
is a statement made
That
under
highs
the risk of perjury. In other words, Mr. Chair, when we talk about perjury, That includes
Money.
the documents which were notarized
For
by notary publics.
education,
Sworn
because
to
that's
before
our
notary
future.
publics, similar
That's
to
the
certification
most priority for
we
the
are currently
government.
flashing.
How many
Now let us look
Every year.
closer at what this certification
That's why,
says.
Sarah,
Ano po ba ang nilalaman ng mga
we support
certification na ito?
for
Number
go
one,
prison.
yung expenses where the confidential funds were supposedly spent on
Deeply
were
for
incurred
us.
in connection with the agency's intelligence and or confidential
Because of the
operations and activities.
dirty politics
I
and
wish to
crime,
reiterate, paano po malalaman
crabs mentality
ng ating mga special
of the politics.
disbursing officers
That's why no job in the Philippines.
is indeed correct?
We are
Simply handed the money
sacrifice,
to the security officers.
suffer for
Second content, yung mga
support of our education of our children.
confidential funds
But after graduation, no work.
for legal
The DepEd control to the Filipino people
How
to
can they certify to this fact when they are totally unaware about the activities where the
Cannot
confidential funds
pass
were
examination.
allegedly spent?
control the examination.
Alam raw nila na hindi napunta ang funds sa mga gastusing ipinagbabawal sa confidential funds, kagaya ng payment of salaries and wages, overtime, allowances, or fringe benefits. Mr. Chair, I wish to raise, there is one common answer coming from our SDOs.
That's the
Wala silang
budget
alam
of DepEd is not
dahil
joke.
ang pera ay ibinigay sa
That
mga
is very
security
serious
officers.
to the
For
Filipino
certification,
poor people.
any equipment purchased was supposed
So
to
that
be relevant
we don't
to
want
the confidential and or intelligence
blind
activities. Mr. Chair, suffice it to say
or
that the SDOs are totally unaware
deep hearing.
of how the confidential funds
We
were
mob,
spent.
we
Primarily
observing
because they were
around
the
of
one who
the
dispersed the same.
Philippines
Paano po nila
situation.
patututuhanan ang nilalaman ng mga certifications na ito? Certifications which were sworn to before a notary public. To emphasize, Mr. Chair,
Our goal
seen from one of
for
the
voters
certifications
of them
which our secretariat is showing right now, our Vice President and SDO
For
Acosta
the
signed and certified
manage
this certification before
for the
Republic,
country,
and
Philippines
that
country.
is Attorney Abella.
But what happening now? They
ano
have
po ba ang sabi ng mga SDO?
ito.
All learned from the hearing on November 25 that while SDO Acosta did encash the check, according to her, wala po siyang alam kung saan napunta yung confidential
Dito function
Kasi
under
po,
responsibility
ito
of
ay
our
turned
Vice President.
over sa VP.
Number one,
Mr. Chair, this is
intelligence
totally,
funds.
if not
Where's
completely
going now?
contradictory to
Where's-
the
where
contents of the certification.
is now?
It's the exact same story for Mr.
And
Fajarda of
most of all,
Mr. Chair. Sabi
DepEd,
po nila, Ms. Acosta,
the
Mr.
DepEd is
Fajardo,
not
sa ating pagdinig na hindi talaga nila alam kung saan ginastos ang pera. In other words, malay po ba nila kung napunta nga ba sa intelligence or
DepEd
confidential
is not
operations and
confidential
activities ang pera?
matter.
Malay po ba nila kung
What-
totoo?
What's
Yung mga
happening now
pinagsasasabi
under
ng
of
accomplishment report,
management by
liquidation
Sara,
report,
by Sara
and
Duterte?
most importantly, certification.
The money now is where's going?
They signed it, Mr. Chair.
If that is
They
stop
signed them
after
under
2 years,
oath.
we can buy
This means,
jet
Mr.
fighter,
Chair, that Ms.
even
Acosta and Mr. Fajarda did not only
F-18
violate the joint
or
circular,
F-35 in the
also
US.
lied under oath dito
We-
sa kanilang
We collect
certification.
from the
They did
intelligence fund and
not
the
just once,
DepEd
not just twice,
budget.
but thrice for Mr.
You know
Pajarda.
how
And
much
for Miss Acosta,
every
I have
year
to say,
the budget of
she
DepEd.
did it 4 times.
That's the very
Paulit-ulit
most
silang nagsinungaling sa
priority
kanilang certifications, Mr.
and
Chair.
all government
The next
program
offense that
for
I wish
DepEd.
to raise, Mr. Chair, is bribery.